Trinity Total Health family, welcome back to another vlog on Trinity Total Health with your nurse and entrepreneur Adriana. So today is Vlogmas day 20. Vlogmas is almost over, guys, and I'm so happy that I did this. It was a nice thing for me to try, and I actually like it, vlogging every day, vlogging my life. So right now I'm getting ready to go down the road. I'm already ready, so it's just for me to head down Marbella to come back. So we're just gonna run a few errands with mom and come back. Today is a really busy day, guys. A lot of traffic everywhere we go. Really, really busy. So we're heading to Marbella now. We're going to see to do some business and head back home. Yeah, the eggs finished in Gashman. Like most places now, it's selling out fast with certain things because it's close to Christmas. People stocking up for Christmas and for the New Year. So I know right now we even make Christmas groceries yet. So I hope when we do decide, yes, I hope when we do decide to go and make this groceries, we have stuff in the groceries. But yeah, guys. So we'll continue with the vlogging. Oh, this is Errands now.
Yeah.
Oh, this is the boneless.
Yeah, but I want to know about it.
That's that's chicken breast.
Good up. What do you want to eat? 145.
145.
Yeah, all you are.
I'll go on that side. Spot. Italian. Okay. 5 cases of water for 100. $895 for a suitcase. $795 for this one. For really brand. Oh, yeah, cashing, yeah. $24, that is how pretty it is. The colors. Okay. The colors, eh? I didn't have black. True. Because you already seen that bag. From a room pink, so you know how to take pink. Pick up one. You want one? Yeah. Your room green or cream?
Sabe, come up.
140. The thickness of sardine when it's so thick and it's really thick and the whole okay. Oh yeah. Alright. Okay. Is there any black bananas? Yeah, much for the container, okay? Extension? Yeah. Mm-hmm. The rest of stuff is cuttings. Oh, 6 minutes. The Hadia on top for $1.99. This with the cover. That's unusual. Martha Stewart's. Ooh. I don't know what it is in it, but probably sugar. Yeah, with 2 Martha Stewart's. Oh, Vietnam. This stuff is good, isn't it? Roses, Cadbury. Roses. You go to someone on the next side. 65. Red grape. $20 for red grape. Sparkling. Teardrop. You see the different bottles for the teardrop? Then apple juice. $98. Ain't bad. $98 for the thing. Marshmallow. I think you see not so bad. Hello. How you going? Hi, good. I find for the Christmas everything of social people in seen a while, eh? Look I wonder if this is a peanut. Beyonce nah, not Beyonce. Different brand. I don't know. We have an unboxing to do today from Ardysslife. We received some products yesterday, but we're now about to open it to see what we got. We are custom ordering from Ardysslife. we use the products daily, and we also share the products with other people, and people are always, you know, want the products from us. They always want to try the new products.
It boosts your immune system and alkaline your body and keep you healthy. So Ardyss products, we will always be taking Ardyss products. Sometimes you might see we haven't been doing a video for a while, but we are still taking the products. We still ordering, you know, people still calling, so we would not be out of Ardyss products.
Yeah.
Yes.
So we are a product of the product, really and truly. Since we started using Ardyss products within about 2 years now, we have never stopped. We always use it daily. Especially me being a nurse, I always carry my supplement to work and mix it in my bottle and have it on the go because I'm always busy. So I'm always supplementing, always boosting my immune system.
And it has helped me so much with high blood pressure and, you know, the cold, the virus, everything. It has helped me. And the acid reflux, since I taken Pro-Digest, no acid reflux, right? So that is products that I will always take.
And since I've been taking the Multiplus, I haven't had any asthma attacks. I used to have a lot of that, especially during this time, which is December, when we're doing the cleaning, the painting, and dealing with all the dusting.
Yeah,
I know.
You have to be in the hospital.
Yes,
right?
for real.
Because, you know, you have to go and get the nebulizer. Yes.
So this is the Multiplus that I'm talking about. So this is what I take daily. I use the cap as a measurement. I put it in some water, and this actually helps me to prevent getting the cold or any virus. So this is good for children as well as adults.
The core calcium, when you're getting older, you know, your bones and your teeth and your hair, you need the calcium. So when you're having pain, like, you know, you're coming up the step and you're getting pain, and think this could help, and this helped me a lot. So core calcium is something that, you know, women and men can take. Our staple product.
Yes, this Red Lviv tastes so good. Now, ideally they say to really use, and on the bottle they say take 2 ounces 1 to 3 times daily. But honestly, I don't even do that.
Good.
It tastes so good. I just throw in a glass and add some ice and drink it on the rocks. As simple as that. It has noni, goji, acai berry, pomegranate, all these fruits and vegetables that your body needs to help boost your immune system and prevent diseases, high blood pressure, diabetes, cancer.
Everything that helping with the green Lviv, everyday detox. You know, sometimes you know, you're getting problems to go off. This could help you because you just have to take like 2 teaspoons every day, and this will help you go off like normal.
And even for those who have kidney problems, this green Lviv helped a lot of people. I remember giving a lady this green Lviv. She said she has problem passing urine. She used about 4 bottles of this green Lviv, and it helped her to not get that burning sensation when she's passing the urine. So it's good to use green Lviv because it has the green vegetables. So this is your vegetables and this is your fruit. So combined together, this is your staple, as she said. So you would have it in your home. You and your kids, your entire family can actually use these products.
From the babes to the elderly can use these products, right? And I'm so glad they brought back Shanti.
Yes, Shanti is this. Our love.
You know, we're stressed in now, you know, with Christmas and, you know, the end of the year and things not working out right, you know, and this Shanti helps you. So I'm so glad they brought that back. The Shanti with the
Red Lviv.
You know, and one thing with these products too, you can mix them. You know, it tastes really good.
So you can mix your own concoction, and there's nothing like overdose because this is fruits and vegetables. So don't think this is medication. This is not medication. It's fruits, vegetables, things to help boost your immune system, prevent diseases, and make you have a sustainable life at the end of the day.
Yeah, keep you healthy. And this is a Lviv Slim. Now, if you're drinking sweet drink and, you know, Gatorade and all those kind of things, you could stop that because that have plenty sugar in it. But this tastes really good, so you could put a pack of this in your bottled water, and you could even put some of the shield as well, some of the shanty, and you carry that to work, and you drink that. It tastes nice, like juice. You don't need juice. You drink this.
And the thing about it too, for those who love those carbonated drinks like the Coca-Cola, all the different soft drinks, as you said, they could use this to prevent yourself from getting diabetes, because all those drinks have a lot of sugar, a lot of sodium in it, which isn't good for your overall health.
And it also helps you lose weight.
So if it is you realize I have lost a lot of weight, is with the products and with changing my diet, that's how I am able to lose the weight and keep it off. So I've been using these products for some time now, and it really works.
We have testimony with this memory fusion, right? You'll see it in our, we have to do talk to the lady about this. This has helped her with Parkinson, and this is for memory, for your headaches. Use this 2 a day, and this will help you. Right, if you're forgetting things, people with Alzheimer's and things, this is something that you could use, this memory fusion. You could even put it in your coffee or your tea or in your food. You open the capsule and you put it in your food. So we just decided to show you all what we ordered. We're always ordering from Addis. We are the mother-daughter team in Trinidad and Tobago, never stopped, and we'll continue to be going on the go. Anybody is interested in any of the products, you can contact us and let us know what you need. Right? Everybody stay safe and enjoy your Christmas with your family.
All right, season greetings. Bye. Okay, TTH family, we've come to the end of the vlog. If it is you're interested in any of these health and wellness products, check the description box and you will see my wellness website that you could go on and purchase online. Bye.